are you thinking of listing your home for sale this spring? Well, as a seller, you're going to be making a lot of important decisions, including how much access to give potential buyers. Hi, I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of this whole process is allowing buyers to see your property. And as a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your home to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase. Of course, as a seller, you're going to want as much balance between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. The best practice is to schedule open houses or private showings with your real estate agent who can vet potential buyers and make sure that they're serious about purchasing and they're not just looky-loos. Other ways of access include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers by appointment, or limited access, meaning on certain days and times. Ultimately, the level of access that you want to provide buyers is a personal decision. It's going to depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. But if you want to maximize the sale of your house, you cannot limit potential buyers' access. If your home is not accessible, it could cost you lots of money by sitting on the market longer. It's always best to discuss with your real estate agent your concerns so that we can map out a strategy that works best for you. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate. Contact my team and I today because we want to make sure you hire a professional that can protect you and your investment. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too.